Not long ago, in the world of cell therapy, a groundbreaking idea and a compelling story could take you a long way. The market was flush with capital and valuations soared on the promise of future breakthroughs. But that chapter is closing. We've entered a new era, an era defined not by promises, but by progress, an era of execution. For startups, this means the pressure is on to translate that brilliant science into tangible real-world results. Investors are no longer just asking, what if? They're asking, what have you done? So what does getting it done actually look like in cell therapy? It's the grueling, unglamorous work that happens after the discovery. It's developing a manufacturing process that is consistent, scalable, and compliant. It's navigating the complex labyrinth of CMC. It's building the operational backbone that can not only support a clinical trial, but eventually a commercial product. In this environment, success hinges on a different kind of discipline. It's the ability to move from the abstract world of the lab bench to the concrete reality of a manufacturing plant. It requires relentless focus on the fundamentals: process robustness, quality systems, and supply chain logistics. These are the elements that turn a potential therapy into an actual product. The companies that thrive today will be the ones that embrace this challenge. They are the builders, the pragmatists, the teams that understand that innovation isn't just the eureka moment, it's the 1,000 painstaking steps that follow. The hype cycle is over. The real work has now begun. This is the era of get done.